it was depending on what the lesson was about. If the lesson was about wind, we would discuss like where the wind comes from and what types of winds there are.
I learned about new birds, new species. Where they habit usually, like maybe some of them live near the trees. Some of them live near the trees, and some maybe near the beach.
I like the one when we built it, the bird hotel, the bug hotel. I go for it.
I liked all of them, but the one I mostly liked was the weasel one.
Because they would have fun, they would make more friends, and they would learn a few more things.